Hello all my best friends, how are you today? I hope you stay at home. Today I will show you how to make pom-pom earrings. You can do it at home easily. I hope you like and don't forget like, subscribe, comment this video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make this earring. The materials are satin fabric, lantern, scissors, pliers, hairpin, ear hook, jam rings, chain, glue and glue gun. The first step, you take a fabric, the satin fabric, and you need a circle. The diameter is 4 centimeters. You copy the circle and you cut. You need 20 circles for an earring. So you need 40 circles for a pair of earrings. You take a lighter and you melt the end of the ribbon. Like this. You take a needle and thread like this and you fold the ribbon and start sewing. This one. Like this. You need 20 circles. One by one. Sewing until the last 20 circles. Like this. Okay, you take hairpin and jam rings, chain, and ear hug. This is a hat pin. Give a clue. Like this. Okay. You cut the hat pin. You bend. This is 90 degrees. This is one. This here is ear hook, jam ring, and chain. And you insert the chain and you lock. The Pom Pom earrings has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.